Samuel will have you again. Copy. The text from here. Let's edit. Use the opacity. The stroke. Let's do that too. Center values of this. And the name is how to step back. How to courage. Use the same. Let's use any script for for the sake of this tutorial, let me just use other script from. Okay, let me use this. Paste. Get back. These are house. It's more like an Indian name or something. Color black. Let's use poppins. Poppins extra bold. And then center. Then spacing. Like this. Size. Into the 60. Then I bring in the shape here. the size. Now let's put all the keys from photo. I already removed the background. And let's try to the shape here first. We use two shapes. Copy. Copy edits. I'll make one dark. Like really dark red. I put it at the back of this. Just bring it down this way. Then I copy this red again and place it on top here. I feel this. Okay. I added the shadow here also. Just bring it to front. Bring it like this. Come to opacity. Take it to 0. Come to shadow. Tap on shadow. Increase the blurry there. Tap on plus. Reduce the opacity of the shadow. So it's not so dark. Just reduce the size. And move it to the back of the pixel. So it's not look like my pizza is floating. And right. On the 9, 3, 1, start. You just make everything in capital letter. Reduce the size. This is opens. 7 volt. Reduce the line spacing. Center align it. And copy again. Address. Let's just use for this demo address. This time around, I'm using center alignments, so don't look like the left alignments. Copy again. Phone number. I'm just using it for practice. So I just use it and make phone number 20. And this 70. And let's import icon for location and phone number. Reduce the size. Location icon. Change color to white. And you see that you can see that everything on this design is readable because it's contrast very good. There's no one that is not that you find hard to read, and they're not drawing too much attention to each other. The first thing you see on this design is the name. You see the pizza, then you see phone numbers, date and time. So that's why. So you just try to make everything the rule of hierarchy, smaller and bigger than each other, and calling different attentions, so you don't get distracted and you understand the information the design is trying to pass. But you can see that I modeled it even without looking at it because I did it from scratch at first time, so after some time I can still go back and do the design again. So this is just it. There's this flying this thing I've not been brought to this one. A blood leaf. When you just save and just pop a little bit.